Hey guys, real quick, what I want to show you how to do today is set up an experiment that's gonna measure one campaign versus another campaign, okay? And what I want to look at in this campaign here is I want to look at the two videos that I have playing, which one is doing better, okay? So that's what we're going to do here. So I have these two campaigns running. Let me show you. We have video conversion, which is the first one that I did, which is a video. It's been running for a little bit. And then we have the other one that hasn't been running as long to see which one is going to outperform another one. Now, it'd be nice if Google would allow you just to like set up your A/B test from here real quick. But since these already have impressions and clicks, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to make duplicates of each of these campaigns to then set up your experiment. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let's make a copy of this one first. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to copy it. And then the next thing that we want to do is we want to paste it. Should do it there. And then we're going to pause our new campaign. We're going to do paste. All right, so that one's done. So let me just rename this real quick. I'm just going to call this Experiment Video 1 and save it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this. I'm going to check this one. I'm going to do the same thing. So we're just going to go ahead and copy. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and do paste. And then we're going to pause new campaign after pasting. Hit paste. Let this run through here. Shouldn't take too long. All right, so now we have both of our campaigns duplicated. We're just going to rename this one. We're going to call it Experiment Video 2. All right, go ahead and save that. All right, so next thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and go over to Experiments. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit Create an Experiment. And I want to measure the video experiment, so we're going to click on this. Go ahead and hit Continue. Got it. We already did all that. So this is just going to be video experiment. And then this one is going to be video 1, which we're just going to call this one me, since this is the video that I recorded myself. So we're going to do that. And then the next one we are going to call video 2. And we are going to select experiment video 2. And then there we have these two. Alright guys, so once you have your two videos selected here, you're going to want to go ahead and select your metric, which on this one, I am going to do the view rate just to see which one gets viewed the most. And then you go ahead and save that. And then go ahead and do save as is. And there you go. Now we have our experiment. Now, one thing I want to point out that you will have to do is when you duplicate your campaigns, okay, you're going to have to go in and select each one. And then when you go into like your ad groups, so if you do filter view to select that specific campaign, it'll only pull up that one. And then you go into ad groups. And then what you'll see is there'll be like, when you make a copy and a paste, there'll be two here, okay? So go ahead and delete one of them, and then just make sure you enable the next one, okay? And then that way, when you go to create your campaign, you won't have that error message that says, make sure that you have an ad group assigned to this. All right. So hopefully that helps you be able to create an experiment when you're setting up your ads. If you have any questions, concerns, please leave a comment, below, and I'll be happy to answer them the best way I can. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.